B12 vitamins are essential for the body's overall health and well-being. They play a crucial role in the formation of red blood cells and the maintenance of the nervous system. Without an adequate amount of B12 in the body, individuals may experience fatigue, weakness, and neurological problems. B12 vitamins are water-soluble, which means that they are not stored in the body and need to be consumed regularly through diet or supplements. Foods that are rich in B12 include meat, fish, dairy products, and fortified cereals. Vegetarians and vegans may have a harder time getting enough B12 in their diet, as plant-based sources are limited. A deficiency in B12 can lead to a condition known as pernicious anemia, which is characterized by a lack of red blood cells and can cause symptoms such as weakness, pale skin, and shortness of breath. In severe cases, it can even lead to neurological damage. B12 vitamins are also important for brain function and mood regulation. Studies have shown that low levels of B12 can be linked to depression and cognitive decline. By ensuring an adequate intake of B12, individuals can help support their mental health and cognitive function. Pregnant women are especially encouraged to get enough B12 in their diet, as it is crucial for the development of the baby's nervous system. A deficiency in B12 during pregnancy can lead to birth defects and developmental delays. B12 vitamins are often recommended for older adults as the body's ability to absorb B12 decreases with age. This can be due to a decrease in stomach acid production or other digestive issues. Supplementing with B12 can help older adults maintain their energy levels and cognitive function. In addition to its role in red blood cell formation and nervous system maintenance, B12 vitamins also play a role in DNA synthesis and regulation. This means that B12 is important for cell division and growth, making it essential for overall health and well-being. B12 deficiency can be diagnosed through blood tests that measure the levels of B12 in the body. If a deficiency is detected, treatment may involve B12 injections or oral supplements. In some cases, dietary changes may be enough to correct the deficiency. It is important for individuals to be aware of the signs of B12 deficiency and to seek medical attention if they suspect they may be lacking in this essential vitamin. By maintaining adequate levels of B12 in the body, individuals can support their overall health and well-being. In conclusion, B12 vitamins are essential for the body's overall health and well-being. They play a crucial role in red blood cell formation, nervous system maintenance, brain function, and DNA synthesis. By ensuring an adequate intake of B12 through diet or supplements, individuals can support their mental and physical health and prevent the negative effects of B12 deficiency.